Hello once again everyone, welcome to our channel, and this time we're here to teach you on how to create a video intro using canva.com. First you have to go to canva.com. That's canva.com, and then on the search bar on top just type in video intro, so it would be faster for you to find the video intro templates without going into the navigational menu. And of course Canva will open up the video intro templates for you, and you have a lot of video intro templates to choose from. We have free and the paid templates if you have a pro plan under canva.com. Well, if you don't have an account yet, you can start creating an account, a free account with canva.com, just by using your valid email address or Facebook account. That's easy. And then you can start with a free account. You have the option to upgrade to the pro plan if you want to take advantage of the paid templates that Canva offers, okay? But with the free plan, you can still use a lot of amazing templates, images, fonts, and elements for your project. So for this tutorial, let's say you are in the business of informing your followers about cats, or if your clients is into cats, maybe information about cats, or selling cats, or adoption for cats, or maintaining a YouTube channel for that. Now video intro is very important for this. Now a lot of freelancers are actually earning from this side gig, just creating video intro for their clients. This is really nice side income, and you don't need any complicated software or program just to be able to create a professionally looking video intro, and Canva actually did a good job of doing that for all of us. So let's choose a really nice cat template, which is of course a free one. When you hover on a template, you will see if it's free. So let's choose this template first. Now the template gets automatically inserted to your working area, okay, or to your canvas here. Alright, so these are the elements that I'm clicking on. So when you see the blue margin, you know that you are working on this element on the canvas. Now on the left side, the dark portion of your screen, this is the tools panel, where it contains all the templates, all the elements, all the photos, all the text that you can use. You have free fonts here, group fonts. When you click on the font, it goes directly to your canvas. Let's undo that for now. We'll get into that later. So going back to the templates. So for this tutorial, let's say your first slide for the video is this one, and you want to choose a second one. You can simply type in video intro cats, alright, and you will see the free templates that has cats on it. Alright, add a page and choose another template there. So this is one is for the first clip, and this one that we just added is for the second clip. Now let's start editing your video. On top of the blue bar here, you can change the file name for easy identification, because you can easily go back to your designs or your projects within your My Design folder in your Canva account. Let's start editing the template. When you click on each element, you can see the blue margin appearing, so you know this is the element you are working on. So let's change, for example, to be able to edit the content. Maybe let's put in this one. It's kind of funny. And you can also delete this one by using, if you don't want this text element here below, you simply use the delete icon on top and click delete element. You can undo that if you want to bring it back by clicking on the undo button on top of the blue bar here, and there you go. Or you can redo that, or on your keyboard you can simply use the commands Control plus Shift plus Z. So here we go. So for undo, Control plus Z on your keyboard, and redo, Control plus Shift plus Z. Going back to the project, you can zoom in and zoom out on your canvas for you to be able to see what you are working on. This is the slider below, or on your keyboard you can simply press Control minus for zoom out, and Control plus for zoom in. Alright, there you go. Control minus, Control plus, or you can use the slider here below on your dashboard. So let's continue editing. When I click on this element, this is the background. This is the background. You can change the color to red, to bright red. It's really nice. You can also edit these elements here. You can simply click the 3 color options on top of the bar here. When you click on element, all the options will appear on this bar. Okay, so maybe you can change that to black if you like. You can also change this to black. That's the border. And you can also change this to black. There you go. The drag handles on 4 sides. You can easily adjust the size of the element. Whatever you like, that depends on how you would like your design to look. This is the rotation handle here. You can see this one. You can rotate the elements that you are working on. Alright, for the sake of this tutorial, let's just use white. There you go. Change everything to white. Put it there, right here. Just place it here. For this text element, you can just simply delete that. Alright, so let's go to the second clip. If you want to review what you have done, all you need to do is click on the play button on top of the blue bar here. Just to give more colors to the video intro. Alright, and let's change this one. Just delete this element, delete element. I don't want that, it's up to you. You can play around, or you can use the undo button if you want to bring it back, but that's fine. Let's just remove all of this for this. Let's just remove all of this for the sake of this tutorial. And then let's remove this text element here, because we want the text element to be the same like the first clip we have here for page 1. We are editing page 2. Let's delete that page element there, and we can make the background red as well, just to match page 1. And then control copy, control V for copy and paste, or you can just right click copy, and then on the second page you paste it, and you can just put it there. You can also copy some of the elements. Control copy, control V. Okay, just control copy on the second page, control V, goes there. And you can review what you have done. You can also control the size of the video if that's what you want. If you want to keep it as a full, if you want to make the video full screen, it's up to you. Alright, so you can play with all the control here just to mix and match whatever you have on your mind for the design. Maybe let's just change this one to yellow. There you go. It automatically goes back to the second clip. Alright. So you can play that again if you want to review what you have done. And it automatically. So there you go. If you think that's final, you can use the download button. If you still want to edit some more, close this file. And then let's go to animate. There, you can choose some animations for your clip as well. So that's animate on top. Let's do that again. Click outside the working canvas and the animate button on top will appear. Click on that and choose an effect. So let's just use this one, a simple one. And you can use the pan. Maybe you can use these the pan as well. There you go. You can review that again. There you go. Looking good. And then the next step is to add a music background to your video intro. So all you have to do is upload media using the upload button. This is your tools panel. Go to uploads and then click on the upload media button and then go to your device and search for the music background that you want to use for your video. Just make sure you have the rights to the music that you are using. So I've uploaded some music a while back. So for example, let's choose this one. It goes automatically to your working area. And then you see you can choose you can choose a specific portion of the music you have chosen, and you see that the blue one, that's the length of your entire video. So Canva did a good job of automatically, using portions of your music that matches the length of your entire video. So for example, you want to use the start of this video, you can just click on that, or this portion here. It's up to you. And then let's review that. And there you go, you can play that again, just in case you want to review. And if this is final for you, it looks good, you can click the download button here and click on download. And it gets downloaded to your computer. Well, congratulations, you have made your first video intro using Canva. Well, I guess that's about it for this tutorial. See you on the next. Take care, everyone.